Mamaya na sa backstage. Ang ganda ng first time ko dito, ha? Ibang klase. Isa na yun. Okay. Paalala ko lang, ha? May gig pa tayo bukas. Pwede nang bumalik bukas. Pero sige, pagbigyan natin ito. Sana naalala ko pa, ha? Pero para sa inyo. All day, staring at the ceiling, making friends with shadows all night, hearing voices telling me that I should get some sleep, because tomorrow might be good for something. Hold on, feeling like I need it for a breakdown, and I don't know why. I'm not crazy, I'm just a villain. Well, I know somehow you can't tell, but stay a while, maybe then you'll see a different side of me. I'm not crazy, I'm just a little impaired. I know somehow you don't care, but soon enough you gotta think of me and how it used to be.